India has more than 3 million registered non-governmental organizations working for the betterment of its people. Traditionally, these organizations depend on acquaintances and a limited number of agencies for their funding requirements. Many of these organizations do not have an online presence, which limits their reach to potential donors. These NGOs thus miss out on a population which wants to donate but don't know to whom and how. But India also has a 430 million strong youth population in the age group of 15 to 32 years and 51 million smartphone users, increasing at the rate of 153% per annum, most of which are owned by the youth. The question here is, can these youth make a difference for the funding problems faced by most NGOs? Our survey reveals that more than 90% of the youth feel it is important to help NGOs. 64% would prefer to have NGO information on their smartphone, and 51% would prefer to make donations of Rs 100 to 500 through a simple mobile application. But no such platform exists in India. India Donates aims at building a smartphone donation platform connecting potential donors with NGOs through a unique mobile application. Our objectives are to provide NGOs with an access to untapped potential young donors, to provide an online presence to NGOs, to leverage convenience of anytime, anywhere mobile transactions. India Donates is a mobile application that enables users to browse through NGOs, access their information, and make donations through the application. It also allows users to share their donation information via social media platforms and have an access to donation history. Users can also invite their friends to download the India Donates application. Our vision is to trigger the giving culture, be it monetary or skills, among the youth of India. Rahul is an instrumentation engineer having 3 years of experience in sales, marketing, and project management with Schneider Electric. Shailesh has worked for Tata Consultancy Services for 3 years, during which he has led multiple teams. He is pursuing social entrepreneurship at TIS. Archana is an IT engineer, proficient in Android application developing and working on Java. Gaurav is a Linux and open source enthusiast. He is proficient in server security and its management. Kishore is an engineer by training, an Android developer, and an avid web designer. Harshal holds an MBA degree in marketing and is working as a business analyst. Previously, she was employed with Cummins India.